now.
Okay,
Get
okay,
all
okay,
these balloons out of the car right now.
What's up, people? Again, it's your boy Shua, man. As you guys see by the thumbnail and the title, yes, man, I'm back with another prank video. I know you guys been waiting for a long time. Not really a long time, but you know what I mean. You know what I'm saying? Shy got me back, bro. That was my fault. I was caught sleeping right there. You know, if you guys didn't see that condom prank that she did on me, I'll give it to her. It ain't all of that. You know what I'm saying? Teen Javon, we're still going on. The prank that I did previously with Kush. Hey, that prank still, that prank still killing her prank. That condom prank weak, you know what I'm saying? But you know, I come back with bangers, straight bangers, you know what I'm saying? So hey, as I guess better to mentality, man, today, I will be pranking Shavon. I will be getting her back for the prank that she did to me. I will be filling up my wife's new car with balloons, you know what I'm saying? We got the balloons right here. We got like what? We got 75 of them mugs. Now we gonna fill this big car up. I don't know if you guys seen the car video where I got out a new car. Yeah, that same car. We're gonna fill it up. It may be some work, but hey, we're gonna get it and we're gonna get a reaction. Now, it is currently what time? It's currently 9:45 right now. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's 9:45 right now. Shaw's still sleeping. She came in late last night. She's still asleep. She's still knocked out. So she didn't know I'm doing this video right now. I've been wanting to do it. Matter of fact, shout out to my bro at work. If you know yourself, you know. He actually gave me this idea. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, shout out to you. Well, he actually gave me an idea. He wanted me to put water in the balloons and put in the car. I'm like, oh, make it make sense. You gonna put water in the balloons in the car, bro? It's gonna mess the seats and stuff up if it should pop. So I was like, nah, I'm still do it, but I ain't gonna put water in it. So, hey, if you guys like it, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But yeah, as I said, I'm gonna blow all these balloons up. I'm gonna put it in the car. We're gonna get a reaction. Now, here's the thing, though. The thing here's my big problem. I don't know when she's gonna come out of the room. I don't know when she's gonna come downstairs. I don't know if she's going anywhere today. I don't know. We didn't make plans to go anywhere today. So I need to figure a way to get her to come down here without her knowing it's a prank. You know what I'm saying? So that's for me to figure out. And it is freaking hot down here. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm already sweating and I ain't even start yet. So yeah, that's pretty much the content of this video. I'm just gonna fill the car with balloons. We're gonna get a reaction whenever she come down here. And hopefully she make a reaction. Now, I know some of y'all gonna be like, oh, that ain't no good comeback prank. Hey, trust me, I come up with bangers. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna do what I can for right now, and when I have time, I can find something better. It's gonna be crazy. So y'all gotta stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe. Appreciate love and support. Roll to 5K. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. This is the car I'm gonna be filling up, guys. Now you saw this car is big as hell. You know what I'm saying? No, my biggest thing is this car has 5% tinted windows around it, so I don't know if the camera gonna be able to see inside the car, so I'd have to try and finesse this some way. No, my thing is, I'm thinking of filling up. Can I open it? Filling up just right here. I can see right here, but y'all cannot see in the back at all. So, and I want to put balloons in all the way in the back. So my thing, I'm gonna fill up right here and fill up right here. I'm probably gonna hide it in the trunk. I'm gonna hide in the trunk. Reason being because if I kick the camera outside the car, as I say, it's tinted, so she won't be able to see the tint. She won't be able to see the balloons. Well, you guys won't be able to see the balloons. So that's my idea. I'm probably gonna, you know, fill up the first 2 rows. I'm gonna hide in the back. So, hey, let's get it. Let's get it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let's get it. All right, guys, I'm in the car right now. I'm finna start blowing up these balloons. And it is freaking hot. I didn't want to turn the car on, but I might have to turn the car on. Cause this is hot. I cannot blow balloon up in this hot ass car, and I need to hurry up because I don't know when she's gonna wake up. But yeah, so guys, I'm pretty much gonna fill up all right here. So I was thinking I'm gonna stay back right there. I'm gonna stay back right there. Hopefully she don't see me because I'm gonna fill up all right here with balloons and stuff, and all right here. So hey, I'm finna get going. I might turn this car on because it is burning up in here. This is harder than what I thought. Oh my God, I'm out of breath. Guys, I am tired already, bro. I ain't reached halfway in the car yet. That's all I got. Oh my God, bro. Why did I do this? Why did I do this? I'm already tired, bro. We didn't even get a reaction yet. I'm already tired. Oh, let's go. Let's get going. bitch. Trying to scare me? Oh my god. That give me a heart attack. I ain't even gonna lie. Alright guys. That's all I got. You see, guys, as you guys see what I got in the back. I threw the balloons up. It was all right here and I was turning in the back, man. I ain't gonna lie. The back is pretty much filled up. Now I need to find a way to get back there. So, journey with us. I am tired. I'm out of breath, bro. Oh my god. I started this video around 9:40 and it's 10 o'clock right now. Oh my god. I'm still trying to think how I'm gonna get her to come down here. I'm feeling this be like this, babe, just come down here. I don't know. I'm just trying to find a way to get her to come down here. I just don't know how. Oh my god. God, I'm sorry if I have to keep stopping the cameras because I don't want the video to be too long. Bro, this thing was full, bro. Alright, baby gang, I am finally done with the balloons, man. Yo, I am burning up. I don't know if you guys can see, I have to wipe this out my face, but I am sweating like crazy. But let me show you guys the car, how it finished. This car is so freaking big, bro. I thought I had enough balloons. But hey, we're gonna make it work though. So yeah, I'm gonna set the camera up. Car, shut up. I know you're on these. Let me turn these lights off. I know you're on, bro. So let me lock this door. Alright, so I'm gonna set the camera up. As I said, I'm gonna be in the back right here. She won't see me. I don't think she will see me. And then I'm gonna set the camera up somewhere in this garage. I don't think you guys can even see. You guys can see, but I don't think you guys will see her reaction like that. So I have to go in the back of the car just to get her reaction. So yeah, I'm gonna set the camera up right now, and I don't know how I'm gonna get her down here. I'm gonna think of a way. Yeah. Guys, I'm burning up, man. Oh my god. But I'm gonna think of a way to make it work. But yeah, let's get it. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hope you give me a good reaction. Don't give me a good reaction. Hey, we gonna come back with a banger next time. But yeah, let's go.
Javon! What the? Javon! Always got a doggone plan. How am I get in the car? How am I get in? Javon, and then he got all these fucking balloons in the car. How am I get in the car? How am I get in the car? Stupid. Where he at?
I'm sorry, but the person you called has a
She's
voicemail
trying to
box.
call me. Oh shit, guys. Yo, she trying to call me. My phone. I put my phone in airplane mode. Yo, it's hot, bro. Oh my god. Yo, she's going crazy.
I know your ass is in here because your car is still outside. Stupid. Here's your car. Unlock the door, Shy. Unlock the door. He put it in the back seat. He put it in the back seat too. What the freak? Where his ass at? Javon! Why? Why you fucking balloons in my car? And then your ass hiding in the trunk. I hope you was out here burning up. Why you put all these balloons in the car? I'm finna fall and shit. Stupid. Why you put all these balloons in the car, Javon?
You can't open the back. What are you doing? You can't open the back. What are you doing?
Get out. How you get back there?
Don't worry about it.
Javon, why you put all these balloons in the car? Who finna get all these out?
We're celebrating the car birthday. It's a car birthday.
No, it's not. Her birthday is the same day as my birthday.
We're celebrating its 2 months anniversary.
Why you put all these doggone balloons in the car? Now who gonna get all these balloons out? How many balloons is it anyway?
You gonna get them out?
Who gonna get them out?
You?
I'm not getting these fucking balloons out the
Yes,
car.
you is.
No, I'm not.
You want to bet?
No, I'm not. Javon, get these balloons out the car. I gotta go pick up Mama.
No. What you doing? Yo, it's fucking freaking hot back here. What you doing? What you doing?
Get the balloons out the car.
What you doing? Hey, you can't spray that thing. You're gonna suffocate. My eye burn me. Bombard. You fool, idiot. You. My eye burn me, brother.
No,
what
it
y'all
don't
do?
either. Get it.
Hey, don't spray that. My eye burn me. My eye freaking hot back at some of you. Bill, no?
Get the balloons out the car.
Ah, my eye burn me.
No, it don't.
Ah!
I didn't spray it in your eye.
Ah! Man, this is torture. Man,
Get these doggone balloons out this car. It's hot as hell out here.
man, how you going? Oh my god. Man, it was just a prank, bro. It's a reaction, bro. Stop spraying that thing. You're gonna kill me back here, fool. Oh, I'm about to die. I need air. Ooh, I'm gonna die in this bitch. Oh my god. Man, it was just a prank, bro. It's a reaction, bro. Stop spraying that thing. You're gonna kill me back here, fool.
Yeah, get the balloons out my car. Get the balloons out my car. Get it out.
Motherfucker. I'm about to. Bro, how she gonna turn around this prank on me? Oh, yo, what the freak is that smell? No. Babe! You killing me! Oh my god! Babe, don't spray that, please. Babe, don't spray no more, please. I'm sorry.
Get the fucking
I'm
balloons
sorry.
out your car.
I'm sorry.
You smell like a whole cappuccino
It's just a
back
reaction.
here.
This is a prank. Oh my god, stop. Don't spray no more. Oh my god.
Get it out.
Okay,
Get
okay,
all
okay,
these
okay.
balloons out of the car right now.
You okay? Oh my god, what the hell did she just spray, bro? Babe, don't spray no more, bro. You gonna suffocate me back here.
Get out the trunk.
Damn, where the balloons went. Okay, let me come out. Let me come out.
You wanna get?
Okay, hold the camera for me.
I ought to break this phone. Get the balloons out the car. I'm not playing either. Put all these doggone balloons in the car. I know you ain't throwing that out my car. I said get them out.
I am. Jeez, wait. God damn it. He's trying to suffocate me, bro. I'm gonna come out.
You figured that out. You the one got in there.
Oh!
Got me sweating down here and stuff. It's hot as hell in this garage. Come on.
Are we now?
Tried to get me, huh?
Here's some AC.
You know you need to get these balloons out the car. Hot as hell. Hot as donkey fish out here.
What? Oh my god.
Get the balloons, Javon.
Hold on, bro.
Hot. Wow.
Yo, it's. How you gonna turn this around on me, bro? You gonna spray? You trying to start from me, bro? You gonna spray something back there, bro? No, there's no air circulating back there, bro.
That's what you do. Here,
You don't care about me.
get this.
She don't care about me. I ain't getting no balloons.
You better get these balloons out.
I ain't getting no balloons.
Get the balloons
No,
out the car.
move. I'm not getting no balloons.
Get the balloons
Don't
out
hit
the
me. I'm
car.
calling 911.
Get the balloons.
I'll call HR. Don't hit me.
Who is HR?
I'll call HR.
Get these
The
balloons.
Highland Rescue people.
Get the balloons out the
Move. No, move.
It's hot. You move.
Damn.
Get the balloons, Javon.
I will get them when I want to get them.
No, get them now. I have to go.
You can rob them in there?
No, I can't.
Why?
Because I'm not going to rob no balloons in
Well,
the car.
but you ain't going nowhere then.
Get the balloons out of the car.
Cause you jet me up. I'm not going to AC.
No.
Let me sit in the AC.
No. No.
Yeah, must let me die when you spray
No.
something in the back of your chunk.
Well, y'all not shitting and I put the Go.
Let me get that AC in my.
No.
Babe, please,
Get them.
please, sorry for me, please.
Damn.
Okay.
Get the
Please,
balloons.
babe, it's hot. It's too hot, bro. Come on, please, sorry for me.
Feel sorry for me.
Please, sorry for me. Yeah. You feel good now?
But no, get the balloons
Babe,
out the
get the
car.
AC, you know?
No.
Please.
I will go in the AC. You will get the balloons
Okay,
out
you
the
go in
car.
the AC. I'll go sit in the car in the AC. Hey, it was just a reaction, bro.
Get the balloons out of the
You ain't gonna help me?
car. No, because I ain't gonna put them in there. It's hot.
Your nose sweating.
Yes.
Alright, I'm in the video, man. Shit. Well, guys, I don't know if I got her out. This prank backfire on me because she almost stifled me back in the trunk. Whew.
I'm finna stifle you again.
Shut
Whatever that means.
up.
You-
Chat too much. Shut up your mouth.
You chat too much.
Shut up your rascal.
Get-
Shut
get-
up. Stop hitting me now.
Get the balloons out the
No,
car.
no, you get them. It's too hot. Alright, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Comment down below. Or we're gonna catch you guys in the next video. What you look on yourself for?
Get the balloons
Alright,
out of
guys.
the
Peace
car.
out.